Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Pharma. In this video, we are going to learn first chapter of human anatomy and physiology. First of all, what is anatomy? Anatomy is the study of structure of different organs and physiology is the study of function of different organs. If we will talk about heart, all the parts of the heart like antrum, ventricle, aorta are the anatomy of the heart, and the blood circulation and exchange of deoxygenated blood to oxygenated blood is physiology of the heart. Now we will talk about various scopes of anatomy and physiology. There are various scopes of anatomy and physiology like parameters of normal health, pathology of disease, surgery techniques, human evolution and development. The next topic is levels of structural organization, which means steps from the cell to the complete body formation. First is cellular level. Cell is the basic and building block of our body. Second is tissue level. Group of cells combined together to perform a specific function. Example skin, nervous tissue, etc. Next is organ level. Group of specific tissue combined together to form organ like heart, liver, kidney, and different organs combine together to form organ system like digestive system, respiratory system, etc. And the last is organism level. It is the level in which all organ system combine together to form a complete human body. Body system. Human body consists of total 11 system. First is nervous system. It is responsible for all voluntary and involuntary actions. Second is respiratory system. It is responsible for breathing. Third is cardiovascular system. It is responsible for circulation of blood in body. Fourth is digestive system. It is responsible for breaking down food and absorb nutrients from it. Fifth is urinary system. It is responsible for filtration of blood. Sixth is reproductive system. It is responsible for production of newborn babies. Seventh is integumentary system. It contains skin which provide protection. Eighth is muscular system. It is responsible for movement of our body. Ninth is skeletal system. It consists bones which maintain structure of human body. 10th is lymphatic system. It is an immune system which defends body against pathogen. Next is endocrine system. It consists of different hormone which help in functioning of body. The next important topic is basic life process. All functions that a human body perform for its survival is a basic life process. First is metabolism. It is a process through which human body converts food into energy. The two types of metabolism are catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is breakdown of complex substance into simpler substance and anabolism is building complex substance from simpler substance. Second is responsiveness. It is ability to respond any change in internal or external environment. Third is movement. It is the process of movement in whole body. Fourth is growth. It occurs due to increase in number of cells. Fifth is differentiation. It is development of cell like stem cell generate complete human body. Sixth is reproduction. It is a process in which human body give birth rise to a new organism. Seventh is respiration. It is a process in which human body obtain energy by taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Eighth is excretion. It is the process of removal of waste product from the body. The most important topic in this chapter is homeostasis. Homeo means same and stasis means state. Homeostasis is the ability of human body to maintain equilibrium in internal and external environment. It is regulated by feedback system. The three basic components of feedback system are receptor, control center and effector. Receptor detects change in the internal environment of body. Control center receives input from receptor and generate output. Effector receives output from control center and respond to the commands. There are two types of feedback system, positive feedback system, negative feedback system. First we will study positive feedback system. Positive feedback system responds to increase the change in internal environment. We will understand this by an example. During childbirth, there is contraction in uterus wall causing stretching of cervix. Now, receptor, which is stretch sensitive nerve cells, send input to control center. Then control center, which is brain, collects input and send output by releasing oxytocin. After releasing of oxytocin, effector receives output and respond by contracting uterine muscle more forcefully. Due to increase in stretching of cervix, more oxytocin is released, which result in more stretching of cervix. Second is negative feedback system. It responds to decrease the change in internal environment. Now let us learn negative feedback system through an example. Suppose you just completed the marathon. Your heart rate will be more, due to which your blood pressure increases. Now the receptor, which are baroreceptor present in blood vessels, activates and send input to control center. Then control center, which is brain, collects input and send output. Now, effector, which are blood vessels, receives output and gets dilated, which results in decrease in blood pressure to the normal and body returns to homeostasis. Hope you all have understood the chapter. If any doubts, then comment down below. I'll try to solve all your questions as soon as possible. Thank you.